Hello and welcome. I'm Steve Koenig, Director of Industry Analysis at the Consumer Electronics Association.
And I'm Shawn DuBravac, the economist for CEA.
Shawn, the economy is rough any way you look at it. Are there any strategies that you can offer for business success?
Certainly from our research, we've seen that companies are trying to really bring in their costs. They're doing things like cutting CapEx, they're cutting inventories, really trying to pull in their costs. As demand has fallen, so has their profitability and ultimately their profit margins. On the flip side, though, our research also shows they're looking at other approaches to driving demand and ultimately adding to the revenue numbers. So they're looking at, for example, at new business models. They're looking at offering new products. They're looking at promotions, hopefully bring consumers to the store and create this lasting relationship with the companies.
Question that is on every business owner's mind is, where is the market opportunity? And I think this is where CEA market research and our forecast can really point the way forward. We see digital displays continuing to lead the CE pack in terms of shipment revenues, accounting for roughly $25 billion in wholesale dollars, with computers, netbooks, notebooks, and wireless handsets kind of nipping at displays' heels.
We definitely have found in our research that consumers are trading down, so they're moving from the big screen television to the smaller screen sets. So as consumers look at making these difficult choices, it's impacting the type of products that businesses will bring to market. So we've seen things like netbooks do very well in the current environment as consumers are looking at less expensive computing options.
I think a lot of other marketplaces out there too that consumers are starting to look at. Maybe instead of a hardware solution, it's a subscription to a software service. Case in point, GPS. Instead of buying a GPS product, maybe consumers are looking at subscribing to a navigation service on their phone. Either way, it's a win for our industry.
We found consumers increasingly becoming interested in green technologies above and beyond what the brand historically has stood for. So recognizing these type of turning points within the market is important for companies to recognize that the way consumers have traditionally viewed products is ever changing.
And partnerships and strategic alliances and so forth really are going to be one of those, I think, those activities and mechanisms that we'll see out there in the marketplace that will really illuminate the pathway out of this downturn.
As companies move forward in this environment, it's imperative that they actually look at the data that's available. And we've seen companies now relying more on data than ever before as they look for both of these new business models, these new business opportunities, as well as turning points within their existing businesses.
Thanks, Shawn. That's all we have time for. Here's to better margins. Thanks for watching.